What is going on, guys? I recently just changed my intro to this channel. I think it sounds a lot better, looks a lot better. Um, it's up to you guys. If you guys don't like it, I'll change it back to the original intro that I recently had. But I think this one does look a lot better, but it's what you all want. So if you guys want the old intro back, I'll put it back. But with all that being said, enjoy the video. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're brand new, hit that subscribe button, comment down below what you want to see next, and like the video for more content. Okay guys, today we're trying another hormel meal. This time it's not the complete. This is the actual hormel refrigerator meal. If you guys haven't seen the video where I did try the other meatloaf version of this, it was in a small little container that was done in 1 minute. That one had brown gravy on it, mashed potatoes with it. This one has ketchup on it, and it's just meatloaf. So what's weird about this one that I find out though is the meatloaf version of this one is pure ground beef. This one right here has ground beef and pork in it, so that's a bit different actually. So let's go ahead, pause the video, read the nutrition facts, and get into this review. Let's get it. This thing was $7.16 at Walmart, so let's go ahead and pull it out. We'll see how it looks. Oh wow, that looks very smaller than what I thought that was going to be. Yeah, I thought that would be a lot bigger the way the packaging was, but for $7, that doesn't look like a good meatloaf. It's tiny. Oh yeah, well let me see how we cook this. Gonna microwave this for 3 to 4 minutes, and do not vent or slit film, so okay. In the meantime, I got a bowl of instant mashed potatoes right here. I'm going to go ahead and add some hot water into here and get this done. Okay, so we're back. And before the microwave kicked off all the way, this thing, the plastic in here puffed all the way up. So, hold on. So to peel it off, you got to go on the edges right here to peel it off. You can just smell the ketchup in here, like in some seasonings that's in this meatloaf. This is going to be very hard that gets on me. There we go. So out of the microwave, this right here is what it looks like. It doesn't look that bad, to be honest. I'm going to be honest about it. Now, personally for me, about meatloaf, I love meatloaf if it has brown gravy on it. I really don't like ketchup on a meatloaf. And as crazy as that may seem, that's just my personal opinion. Get a piece of it off of here. Alright, going in. Ooh, that's hot. Oh. Legit. It tastes like a really good meatloaf. Not the best appetizing look on it. Even the sauce is good too. The meatloaf with the ketchup and the seasonings that's in the meatloaf itself, it really has a good taste to it. Again, I think the box set is like a family size, which if that's the case, what are you talking about? Like a 2 family? Like you cut the meatloaf in half and you get half, the other person gets half. But yeah, this is not a bad meatloaf. I mean, despite how it may look and everything, it does have a really good taste to it. The texture, by the way, it's not like your your normal rubbery, spongy type, chewy type of meatloaf and stuff. So it's not like banquet or anything like that. So that's a good thing about that. The only texture I can really pick out in this meatloaf is like binders or filters they've added into this, like breadcrumbs, onions, peppers, something like that. Even the back of the box, it even shows you you can do an open face, pair it with spaghetti, or pair it with tots or french fries. So, but overall though, this is a pretty good meal. Despite, if you want something to go with the meatloaf, you can always add vegetables with it. Like I did mashed potatoes. You guys could do mixed vegetables, green beans, macaroni and cheese. It's not a vegetable, but mac and cheese always goes good with this. I wish I had some brown gravy to put on top of the mashed potatoes at least, but what the meatloaf right here does, it actually makes it pretty good too. Before I give it my honest review, let me get a piece with the ketchup on it and see how the ketchup one tastes. Not terrible. It's not terrible. I mean, I can eat a meatloaf with ketchup on it. It's really no big deal. I mean, it depends. What do you like better on meatloaf? Like I said earlier, it can be brown gravy. Some people prefer ketchup. But from 0 out of 20, I'm gonna give the meatloaf a 18.1 out of 20. It's not the best meatloaf, but it is pretty good for what it cost. Would I buy this again? I would buy this one again. But again, if you're trying to feed a big family, then you might as well just go buy the stuff to make it though. But for the portion size of this meatloaf, I think it's a really good deal. I mean, if it's just you can probably eat it the entire thing with some vegetables on the side or something like that. If you, your wife, or it's just you and your kid or something, this is also pretty good, like an after school dinner thing right here. It's cheap, it's inexpensive, you can get mashed potatoes with it, like I was doing. So again, it's pretty good, and if you eat the entire thing, which I did so, that would be 670 calories, which really isn't that bad for speaking on it. But anyways though guys, let me know down in the comments if you guys have tried this. Do you guys like it? What is your thoughts on this type of meatloaf? And with all that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next food and drink review. Put God in His Son first. I'll see you next time.